So are you also running an e-commerce website and do you also want to reply to all the customer queries even while you are sleeping? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in this video we are going to understand how to automate customer queries for e-commerce website via WhatsApp. So like you, I'm also running an e-commerce website and we regularly receive customer queries on WhatsApp. But this is such a time consuming and a tedious task to reply to those same WhatsApp messages over and over again. So to solve this problem, I've simply created an AI agent, and now whenever my user is going to send me a message, an automatic reply will be sent towards my user using this AI agent. So if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot with the help of an AI agent in Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So as you know, in this video I'm just going to show you how to create a customer queries e-commerce website AI assistant. So over here I'm just going to solve all my customer queries using an AI assistant for my own e-commerce website. And first I'm just going to show you the proper working of this AI assistant, and then I'm just going to show you how to build this. Alright, so to show you the proper working, I'm just going to open my WhatsApp and let's say I'm just going to type, hey, I need help. So I'm just going to send them this, hey, I need help. And once I'm just going to send them this, hey, I need help, automatically my AI assistant is going to reply me. It is saying, hi, I'm here to help you. What do you need assistance with? So let's say I want to know about earbuds. So I'm just going to enter earbuds question mark. So I'm just going to ask this, which is I want to know about the details of the earbuds. All right. So I'm just going to wait for a few seconds till my AI agent is going to reply me, and as you can see, the wireless earbuds, we're going to see the price and the rest of the details. Let's say now I'm just going to check that in how many days it is going to be delivered towards my city. So let's say I'm just going to type, I live in Bhopal and I want to order this. In how many days will I get this? And now I'm just going to send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, it is going to respond me according to my query. And as you can see, it is saying if you live in Bhopal, the estimated delivery time is 4 to 6 working days. Alright, so now it has successfully responded me. So let's say I'm just going to ask them about the shipping charges. So I'm just going to type shipping charges question mark, and I'm just going to send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, you're going to see that within seconds and in real time, automatically it is going to reply me with these shipping charges. Let's say I'm just going to ask them about the offer. So I'm just going to type offers in question mark, and over here it is going to reply me with the offers too. So you have to see that yes, it is replying me with the offer code, which is free ship. So yes, you must be wondering from where this AI assistant got the knowledge of my company, like what is the offer going on, or what is the shipping charges, or how many delivery time and all. So what I've done is I've simply created this knowledge base, and I've uploaded this knowledge base while creating my AI assistant. So the AI assistant is replying according to this knowledge base only. You're going to see the shipping cost, you're going to see the promo code right over here. Also you're going to see the estimated delivery time. So as you know, Bhopal is tier 2 and tier 3 cities. So over here it is saying 4 to 6 working days, and same my chatbot replied me. So yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation, or you can say AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot, which we're going to create in today's video. And if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, then for that you have to watch this tutorial till the end. So to do this, I'm just going to open a new tab, and I'm just going to look for the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow simply by typing pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser, and now it is going to open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And over here you're going to see that this is the amazing tool using which we're going to create this WhatsApp chatbot. But before we move on further and create this, I'll just show you something really helpful. This is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. Pabbly community is a space where users share their ideas, solutions, doubts and workflow tips. So if you're stuck at any step, the community is a great resource for guidance. And if you also want to join this amazing community, functionality. The link is given in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. Alright, I'm just going to go back and create this WhatsApp chatbot. For that, I'm just going to open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And over here, we have two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can simply click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 credits free, using which you can explore and try Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, I'm an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this button which says sign in. And now it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over here you're going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate customer support over WhatsApp. So I'm just going to simply click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account. And once I'm just going to click on this access now, it is going to open the dashboard of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And to create this AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot, over here you first have to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And how are you going to do that? For that, you have to go towards this add WhatsApp number button, and over here are two methods: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So you can use any one of this method to add your WhatsApp number. You don't have to worry, a video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods have been attached in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and add your WhatsApp number. And as you can see that I have already added my WhatsApp number, so I can move on further and create this AI assistant. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to go towards this left end of the side of my Pabbly Chatflow dashboard, and over going to see all the features offered by Pabbly Chatflow. So over here today, this video is only going to focus on how to create an AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot. So I'm just going to directly go towards this AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. But if you want to learn about any of this feature, which is any another feature in detail, you can check out the description box below. We have attached a dedicated video of all the features there, so you can check it out. Alright, I'm just going to go towards this AI assistant because I want to create an AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot. And now to create this, I'm just going to simply go towards this add AI assistant. But before we move on further, we're going to see total AI assistants created, active AI assistant and inactive AI assistant on this. Alright, I'm just going to go towards this add AI assistant button, and now it is asking me for the assistant name. So let's say I'm just going to name my assistant as the name of my company, which is Shopverse. So I'm just going to simply enter the name of my company right over here and click on this add AI assistant button. And once I'm just going to click on this add AI assistant button, it is going to open a window something like this in front of me. And what I'm just going to do is first over here I'm just going to give AI the instructions. So over here, if you want to give instructions manually, so you can simply type this custom prompt right over here, and you can simply select the instruction type as custom prompt and enter the custom prompt right over here. But today I'm just going to select one pre-built example, which is customer support agent. So we have multiple pre-built example. You can select one from this also, and if you wish to give a custom prompt, you can go towards this custom prompt and give the same too. Alright, I'm just going to move on further. I'm just going to select the instruction type as customer support agent, and as you can see, all the instructions are mentioned right over here. I don't need to change it. If you wish, you can definitely add some more instructions or reduce some. Alright, now I'm just going to move on further. It is asking me for the temperature. So you must be wondering, what is this temperature? So over here you have to set the temperature of how creative the AI answers are. So if you move this temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move it towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So if you want the AI answers to be creative, you have to keep it near 1, and if you want it to be more focused, you have to keep it towards 0. So I'm just going to keep it as 0.2 because I want more focused answers. Alright, I'm just going to move on further. It is asking me for the AI to use, so I'm just going to simply select it as OpenAI and move on further. It is asking me for the model, so I'm just going to simply select the model as GPT-4o Mini. You can select any another of your choice. And now it is asking me for the API key. So what you have to do is you simply have to visit your OpenAI API key page by going towards the hyperlink given right over here. So I'm just going to go towards this OpenAI API key page, and as you can see that this is my OpenAI API key page, and what you have to do is you simply have to go towards this create new secret key. You can enter your key name, select the project and click on this create secret key button, and you're going to get your API key. I have already created this secret key, so I'm just going to simply paste it right over here. And after pasting this, I'm just going to click on this button which says connect, and once I'm just going to click on this connect, it is saying OpenAI key saved successfully. Alright, so now I'm just going to move on further. Now it is asking me for the AI assistant settings. So if you wish to add a header message, you can simply switch it on and add the header message. Same goes for the footer message. Now it is saying stop keywords. So what is this stop keywords? So what is going to happen is that let's say I'm just going going to add the keyword right over here, which is human, and I'm just going to press enter to add this keyword. Now whenever my user is going to type human while chatting with AI assistant, automatically the AI assistant is going to stop right over there, and what is going to happen is that chat will be moved towards the intervene section, which is towards the human review section, and further AI is not going to reply to that chat. Alright, so over here if you wish you can definitely add this top keywords. I'm just going to keep it as blank only, and I'm just going to switch it off. Now over here the next button is just retry attempt. So what you can do is you can simply specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistants fail to respond. Alright, now I'm just going to move on further, and the next which we have is fallback message. So what is this fallback message? So over here this message will be displayed when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So what you can do is you can simply add your support email address right over here in this fallback message, so that automatically the user is going to get your support email address. If the API key is not responding, they can contact you over there. So I'm just going to simply enter my shop support email address right over here, and now I'm just going to move on further. With this we have successfully completed this AI instructions, and now I'm just going to go towards this knowledge source. So as I've already mentioned at the starting of this video, that in this AI assistant I'm just going to add the knowledge source, using which automatically my AI assistant is going to get the company information and it can reply accordingly, so that each of my users query gets solved practically. Alright, so I'm just going to move on further and add the knowledge base right over here in this AI assistant. So what you have to do is you simply have to open a Google Docs and enter your company's knowledge base right over here, and after doing this you have to go towards this file, download, and over here you have to download this file in TXT format, because while uploading the knowledge base you can only enter the knowledge base in TXT format. No another format is accepted, only TXT format is accepted. Alright, so if you have your knowledge base in a PDF format, first convert it into TXT, then only you can upload it. Otherwise this is not going to accept your knowledge base. Alright, so I'm just going to simply upload my knowledge base. I'm just going to choose the file right over here, and as you can see that this is my knowledge base and I've successfully uploaded it. You're going to see the knowledge base has been uploaded. Over here is the date and time, and also you can see the vector ID. So this is the proof that we have successfully uploaded our knowledge base, and now we can move on further towards this AI interface. Over here it is asking me for the heading display heading name. So what you can do is you can simply add your brand name right over here. I'm just going to simply add my company's name right over here, which is Shopverse. So as you can see automatically it is going to be displayed right over here too. Now if you wish you can definitely change the subheading too. And for the initial message, what you can do is you can simply type this initial message and then press enter, and your initial message will be added. You can add up to 2 initial messages right over here. I'm just going to keep it as 1 only and move on further. Now it is saying display the powered by Pabbly logo. So if you wish you can definitely enable this, and automatically this powered by Pabbly logo will be displayed. And if you don't want to show it, you can simply disable it right from here and it will disappear. Alright, I'm just going to keep it as enabled, and now I'm just going to move on further. Same, you can add the footer text right over here and the footer link. But now you must be wondering, what is this user first message? So this message will be sent to WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. Alright, so I'm just going to keep it as hey I need help, and now I'm just going to move on further. Now I'm just going to move on towards this styling. So over here you can simply style your WhatsApp chatbot. You can simply change the theme, shapes, colors and fonts from here. Alright, now with this we have successfully created this AI assistant. It is really easy, right? Now what you have to do is you simply have to switch on this button, which is going to activate your AI assistant, and you have to click on this save AI assistant button, and as you can see it is saying AI assistant saved successfully. So with this we have successfully created this AI assistant. And now what you can do is if you want to add this AI assistant on your website, you can go towards this embedded right over here, and over here you're going to get the script using which you can add this AI assistant on your website. Or if you want to assign this AI assistant to a particular contact list, what you can do is you can simply go towards this left hand of the side towards this settings, and then you have to go towards this inbox settings in a new tab. I'm just going to open it in a new tab right over here, and I'm just going to show you how you can do this. And now after opening this inbox settings, you have to scroll, and over here you're going to see this option of AI auto reply settings. So you simply have to enable this AI auto replies right from here, and after enabling this you simply have to select the contact list. So I'm just going to simply select the contact list, and then I'm just going to simply select the AI assistant and click on this save, and automatically this AI assistant has been assigned to all the contacts in this list. And yes, if you want to create a new contact list, you can go towards this contact section, and if you want to learn more about this, you can check out the link given in the description box below. We have a dedicated video on contacts, you can check it out. With this we have successfully completed this AI assistant. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to test it. So I'm just going to open my WhatsApp and I'm just going to clear the previous chat and I'm just going to start fresh. So all right, I'm just going to ask this AI assistant the questions according to this knowledge base. So let's say I'm just going to go towards this FAQs and I'm just going to ask something from this. But before we ask this, I'm just going to send them the initial message, which is, hey, I need help. So I'm just going to send this message and automatically my AI agent is going to reply me. And as you can see, the AI assistant has successfully replied me. It is saying, hi, I'm here to help you. What do you need assistance with? So I'm just going to simply enter, do you offer international shipping? And I'm just going to send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, an automated reply will be coming over here. Currently, we only ship within India. So yes, you can see it is replying me according to the knowledge base only. And now I'm just going to ask them this another question. I'm just going to simply enter this question. What if the item I receive is damaged or defective? And now it is going to reply me. So I'm just going to wait for the reply. And as you can see that we have successfully received the reply. Let's say I'm just going to ask something else. I'm just going to just change the question and ask something else. Let's say I'm just going to ask them how to track your order. So I'm just going to simply type how to track my order. And I'm just going to simply send them this. And once I'm just going to send them this, it is going to automatically reply me. The SMS, email, Shopverse account or WhatsApp chatbot. So yes, you can see that we have successfully received the reply. So yes, with this, we have successfully completed this AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot. And now whenever my user has any query, it can directly talk to this AI assistant and within seconds and in real time, even when I'm sleeping, this AI assistant is going to solve all my user queries. And yes, what you can do is you can simply try this amazing AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow right now for free. So go and try this for your business before we close the free trial. So yes, now if you have any doubts related to the AI assistant or the video, you can directly comment on this video or you can reach us at our support. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple chatbots which are tailored to your specific business needs. So now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.